Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we have here brand new earphones to review for today's video. These are like a copy of AirPods from Apple. As you can see, they are similar and we will see the difference between them. We have here some instruction and some information about these earphones. We can see the specification. The model is i7 mini. We have wireless version, speaker, microphone, battery, as you can see, 50 mAh, working temperature -10. We have playtime 5 to 6 hours, charging time 1 to 2 hours. In standby time, they will last 100 hours. And here in the end it says that it is capable with iOS and Android devices. Let's go ahead and see what we got here in the box. Immediately it shows us the package. They are protected with this wrap. Underneath we have the charging cable and some user manual in case we need one to know what is going on and how to use them. So let's go ahead now, unwrap these, and it will reveal this very light case. We have not magnetic cap. This is a click cap. It will click here, so you can see it's not magnetic. Now we can pull out the earphones. They are very light and very easy to maneuver. They look good. They have good material. Doesn't feel like very cheap. And we know that these earphones are good enough. Not the best, but you can use them in different situations. As you can see, we have here the button to power it on and off the case, to charge them. As you can see, now the case is totally dead. Let's see if we have any battery at all at these earphones. So to power them on, we have here 2 clicks. Press them, and as you can see, they both are flashing. Let's grab a phone and try to connect with these earphones. As you can see, now we have i7 mini. Press pair. Pair again. And now they are connected. So let's go ahead, find a song, and let's see how they work. So here we have now the same song as I always put when I test new earphones. And let's go ahead, put in our ears, and let's test the sound. I'm going to tell you my impression about these earphones. Let's go ahead and put them on. and they fit really good. I noticed that this is a bit longer and thicker than earpods from Apple, but that's not like a big issue. They sit good, and I'm used to earphones with that have a silicone to protect your ear, and with these I can hear myself a lot louder than other earphones. So let's give it a test, see how they sound. Okay, they have a great sound, not too much bass, and if you take them off, I think you can clearly hear around you. I just took them off. I'm going to put right next to the camera. You probably can hear the music too, so I don't like when people can hear the music around me. And that's my first issue with these earphones. Other than that, they work really good. They are cheap, and if you look for something just to grab it and go, for example, to the gym or walk, these are perfect one for you. So guys, this was all for today's video. And these new earphones. If you have any questions, suggestions, feel free to comment down below, and we will try to reply to you all. Thank you very much for your time and support. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and we will see you in the next one.